Welcome to today's video. In just 2 minutes, you'll learn how to introduce yourself in French. Let's begin. First, the basic greeting, Bonjour, which means hello. To say your name, use Je m'appelle. For example, Je m'appelle Ria. My name is Ria. To ask someone's name, say, Comment tu t'appelles? What is your name? To say your age, use J'ai ans. For example, J'ai 20 ans. I am 20 years old. To say where you're from, Je viens de. For example, Je viens de l'Inde. I come from India. To talk about what you do, Je suis étudiant. I am a student. Or Je travaille dans. I work in. To talk about what you like, j'aime. For example, j'aime le football. I like football. Now here is a complete introduction in French. Bonjour, je m'appelle Ria. J'ai 20 ans. Je viens de l'Inde. Je suis étudiante. J'aime la musique et voyager.